Geoff, you've been in the media several times this week talking about the Takata airbag issue. This is an ongoing issue. It's been going a long time. So what's the latest news?
Well, the latest news in Victoria is the government have said that what they'll do is they'll start to deregister vehicles or not re-register vehicles that haven't responded to the recall. The manufacturers globally have actually done a great job here. They've sent multiple notices out to people that own these vehicles, and there are at least 400 people in Victoria that have decided they're not going to respond. Now, whether some of those people are in hospital and, that we can see there are some cases there, but there's a large group of people that don't think it's a problem to drive around in a car where the airbag canister may explode in an accident. There's plenty of press around this. People have died internationally. 2 people have died in Australia, and those airbags need to come out. We've also said very clearly, your family members, a friend, a colleague, somebody you sell that car to, could be badly damaged or killed by this airbag. For our members, if you've got cars in your workshop and you look at the Product Safety Australia website or the ACCC website and you know that airbag needs to be changed, please tell the owner of that vehicle. The chances are there's 3 notices in the glove box, but just let them know, get the airbag changed.